In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to deploy a React app on Hostinger step by step. If you've already built your React project and you're wondering how to actually get it live on your domain using Hostinger hosting, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. The best part is that this method is simple, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require complicated server configuration. By the end of this video, your React application will be live and accessible from your domain. And if you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple web development tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Hostinger dashboard, where you can manage your websites, hosting, domains, and files. From here, look for the section labeled Websites. Click on Websites and you'll see the list of domains connected to your hosting account. Find the domain where you want to deploy your React application and click on Dashboard next to it. This will open the website management panel for that specific domain. Inside the website dashboard, scroll until you find the Files section. In this section, you'll see an option called File Manager. Go ahead and click on File Manager. This opens Hostinger's built-in file management system, which allows you to upload, delete, edit, and organize the files that power your website. Once the File Manager loads, you'll see several folders that belong to your hosting environment. The most important folder here is called public_HTML. This is the root folder for your website, which means any files placed inside this folder are accessible from your domain. Double-click on the public_HTML folder to open it. Now, before uploading anything, make sure you already have the production build of your React app ready. If you created your project using Create React App, you can generate the production build by running the build command in your project directory. This creates a folder called build that contains optimized static files like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and assets needed for your app to run in production. These are the files we need to upload to Hostinger. Go back to the Hostinger file manager and make sure you are inside the public_HTML folder. Now click the Upload button at the top of the screen. You can upload the contents of your React build folder directly, or you can upload the build folder as a zip file, which is often faster, especially if your project contains many files. If you upload the files individually, simply drag and drop all files from the build folder into public_HTML. If you uploaded a zip file instead, locate the zip file inside public_HTML, right-click it, and select Extract. Hostinger will automatically unpack the files into the folder, so they become accessible to your website. After extracting, make sure that files like index.html, the static folder, and other build assets are directly inside public_HTML and not nested inside another build folder. This step is important because your domain will look for the main index.html file in the root directory. Once the files are uploaded and properly placed, your React app is essentially deployed. Now open a new browser tab and type in your domain name. When the page loads, your React application should appear exactly as it did during development, but now it's live on the internet through Hostinger hosting. If you ever update your React app later, simply create a new build and replace the files inside the public_HTML folder with the updated version. And that's it. That's how you deploy a React app on Hostinger, quickly and easily using the file manager and your React build folder. If this video helped you deploy your project successfully, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on React, web hosting, and web development tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.